How to save Snapchat photos in gallery. Saving Snapchat photos to your gallery can be done in a few simple steps. Whether you're saving your own snaps or want to keep memories from friends, here's how you can do it. Open Snapchat and take a photo using the camera button. Before sending it out, look for the save or download icon, usually a downward arrow or a floppy disk icon at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap on it. The snap will be saved to your gallery as well as your memories. To set up the above automatically, click on your profile. Click on the gear icon to access settings. Then, scroll down and select Memories. Next, choose Save button and decide if you want to save snaps to Memories, Memories and Camera Roll, or directly to your camera roll. Select Memories and Camera Roll. This action will automatically save your snaps to your gallery. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.